The vast majority of income taxes are paid by about the top 10% of earners. They pay about 71% of income taxes. Remember, you got to slice up all the different kinds of taxes to get a fuller picture. If you take out the recession, the correct number is somewhere around 40% of Americans owe no income tax. But that doesn't mean that they're not paying taxes. A lot of those people who are working people pay the payroll tax. So if you look at the numbers that way, it's only about 17% of Americans pay neither the income tax nor the payroll tax. Even in that little slice, some of those people are paying gas taxes, local taxes, sales taxes, so it's a much, much smaller number that don't actually pay taxes. If you don't pay your taxes, the IRS will eventually find you. We know a lot of people get hauled into court for their back taxes. About 1/5 of it goes to defense, about 1/5 goes to Social Security, another 1/5 goes to health care, and a little less than that goes to veterans. We had an income tax during the Civil War, then it was declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court in 1895, then the income tax came back in 1913, and that sets up the modern income tax as we know it today. One of the reasons that historians think we pay in the spring was at one point taxes were levied mostly on the rich, and the rich started to get out of town for the summer in the spring. So the government wanted to collect taxes in the spring before rich people skipped town. We have a very complicated tax structure, and a lot of it has grown up because interest groups have asked for certain things as our tax laws have been rewritten. The last time it got a full rewrite was back in 1986. Ever since then, most lawmakers have been talking about how complicated the tax code is, but no one's rewritten it. There are all sorts of battles about the tax code. Some people have proposed flat taxes, a national sales tax, whether the rich should pay more in taxes. Probably the biggest battle is whether tax cuts passed in 2001 and 2003 should expire or be made permanent.